Hey guys, welcome back to another Spec Geek video. Today I'm going to be replacing the windshield cowl on my E36 M3. The rubber seal that's part of the cowl has completely disintegrated, and you can actually see that there's a gap between the windshield and the cowl, and water and like debris and everything can over time get in there and clog your HVAC system, and rainwater can cause issue on your car. There are people reporting that their car might be misfiring. To fix that issue, we'll be replacing this whole piece with a brand new one. So this is a brand new genuine BMW cowl that I bought off of ECS Tuning, and the kit also comes with all the clips and grommet that you need to install this brand new cowl onto your E36. First thing you want to do is to remove both wiper arms, so that way you can get access to the cowl. So I was able to remove the driver's side wiper arm pretty easily, but then I struggled quite a bit for the passenger side wiper arm, and I had to go to O'Reilly and rent one of these called the 3-jar puller. And how it works is you just wrap it around the kind of like the wiper arm, and you basically thread this long screw into the stud, so the whole wiper arm will just pop off.
Dang, this is nasty, bro. That's fucking gross.
I have gone ahead and really deep clean this area that was never cleaned. It was caked with like this mud, debris. It took me a while to clean everything up, but I think I'm pretty happy with the overall result. Next is I'm just gonna have to put everything back with the new cowl and all the new hardware. I had actually went ahead and removed this torque screw. It's a T27, and you want to use a wobbly extension because there wouldn't be enough space because the windshield will be hitting the ratchet. So the reason why you want to remove that torque screw is that way the hood can pivot upward, and there will be more space for you to slip the brand new cowl in without damaging it.
Looking good.
Yeah, so I actually put everything back together, like the seals that goes around the engine bay. There are three pieces of three seals over here. And as you can see, the new cowl is in. All the little plastic, I guess, fastener that's holding the cowl in place are also in. I went ahead and also put the wiper blades back in. The cowl and all the fasteners are looking fresh, looking brand new. And the car is looking much better. Common E36 issue, second headliner. When I first bought the car, it didn't sag as bad, but over time, in the course of 4 months parking it outside, the heat just, melted the glue probably, and now the headliner is sagging on the driver's side and the passenger side. I'm going to be using the automotive headliner adhesive to glue the headliner back, but since it's such a simple small task that I'm probably not gonna make a dedicated video for it, but I just want to keep you guys updated. I hope you like this video, and if you have any questions or comment, make sure to drop them down below. Make sure to like and subscribe and follow us for more spec adventures. Bye!